Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey into the enigmatic realm of perception, where the boundaries between the senses blur and reality takes on a kaleidoscopic hue. Welcome to the intriguing world of synesthesia, when your senses mix. In this exploration, we unravel the captivating phenomenon of synesthesia, where individuals experience a symphony of senses, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. In the realm of human perception, there exists a phenomenon that blurs the lines between sensory experiences, creating a surreal and captivating fusion of sensations. This phenomenon is known as synesthesia, a condition where one's senses become entwined, allowing individuals to taste colors, hear shapes, or even perceive numbers with distinct personalities. In this video, we embark on a journey into the captivating world of synesthesia, exploring its characteristics, types, neurological underpinnings, and the profound impact it has on the individuals who experience it. Number 1. Understanding synesthesia. Defining synesthesia. Synesthesia is a neurobiological condition in which stimulation of one sensory or cognitive pathway leads to involuntary experiences in a second sensory or cognitive pathway. These experiences can involve any combination of the senses, such as seeing colors when hearing music or tasting flavors when reading words. Historical perspective. Synesthesia has fascinated scholars and artists for centuries. Famous figures like Wassily Kandinsky and Vladimir Nabokov were believed to be synesthetes, drawing inspiration from their sensory crossovers. Number 2. Types of synesthesia. Grapheme color synesthesia. The most common type, grapheme color synesthesia, involves associating specific colors with letters, numbers, or words. Chromesthesia. Chromesthesia, or sound color synesthesia, links auditory stimuli, such as music or spoken words, to vivid colors. Hearing a note on the piano might evoke the perception of a vibrant blue. Lexical gustatory synesthesia. In this rare form, words and linguistic sounds trigger the experience of specific tastes or textures. Hearing the word tree could be associated with the flavor of oranges. Spatial sequence synesthesia. Spatial sequence synesthetes perceive numerical sequences or time as spatial configurations. For instance, they might visualize the months of the year in a circular pattern around them. Number 3. Neurological mechanisms. Cross-wiring in the brain. Research suggests that synesthesia results from cross-wiring or heightened connectivity between brain regions that process different sensory or cognitive information. This cross-wiring allows signals from one sensory modality to activate areas associated with another. Increased gray matter. Neuroimaging studies have revealed that synesthetes often exhibit increased gray matter in certain brain regions, such as the fusiform gyrus and angular gyrus. These regions are believed to play a role in sensory processing and the integration of information. Number 4. The experience of synesthesia. Consistency and stability. Synesthetic associations are typically consistent and stable over time for individuals. The color of a specific letter, for example, remains the same throughout their lives. Subjective nature. Synesthetic experiences are highly subjective and unique to each individual. Two synesthetes may not necessarily perceive the same color for the same word or sound. Enhanced creativity. Synesthesia is often associated with enhanced creativity. Synesthetes may use their sensory perceptions as sources of inspiration in artistic endeavors. Challenges and distraction. While synesthesia can be a source of inspiration, it can also present challenges, such as potential distractions in everyday life. For instance, a synesthete may find it difficult to focus on a task if the colors of their surroundings are constantly shifting in response to ambient sounds. Number 5. The impact of synesthesia. Art and literature. Many synesthetes have made significant contributions to the arts and literature. They often create works that aim to convey their unique sensory experiences to others. Scientific exploration. Synesthesia has piqued the interest of scientists and researchers, offering insights into the nature of perception, consciousness, and the flexibility of the human brain. Increased understanding of perception. Studying synesthesia contributes to a deeper understanding of how the brain processes sensory information and the malleability of sensory perception. Plasticity of the brain. Synesthesia showcases the brain's extraordinary plasticity, the ability to rewire and adapt its neural connections. The brain's plasticity is not limited to synesthetes. It is a fundamental characteristic of the human brain. Understanding how synesthetic connections are formed and maintained provides insights into the brain's capacity to reorganize itself in response to sensory experiences. Cross-modal processing. Synesthesia blurs the boundaries between sensory modalities, highlighting the interconnected nature of sensory processing. Researchers studying synesthesia gain valuable insights into how information from one sensory modality can influence and enhance the processing of information from another. Neural correlates of perception. Neuroimaging studies of synesthetes have identified specific brain regions associated with synesthetic experiences, such as the fusiform gyrus and angular gyrus. This research helps pinpoint the neural correlates of perception, providing a deeper understanding of how the brain encodes and represents sensory information. Perception as a constructed experience. Synesthesia challenges the notion that perception is a direct reflection of external reality. Instead, it suggests that perception is a constructed experience influenced by both sensory input and internal neural processes. This understanding has broader implications for how we interpret and make sense of our sensory experiences in everyday life. Altered states of consciousness. Synesthetic experiences offer a glimpse into altered states of consciousness, where sensory perceptions can diverge from the norm. By studying synesthesia, researchers can explore how altered states of consciousness affect cognition, emotion, and subjective reality. Potential for therapeutic applications. Some researchers are investigating whether the principles of synesthesia can be harnessed for therapeutic purposes. For example, sensory substitution devices that convert one type of sensory information into another could aid individuals with sensory impairments. Understanding the neural mechanisms underlying synesthesia is a crucial step in developing such innovative solutions. Cognitive variability. The study of synesthesia highlights the considerable variability in cognitive experiences among individuals. It underscores the idea that our perception is not uniform, but shaped by a multitude of factors, including genetics and environmental influences. This variability challenges the idea of a one-size-fits-all approach to understanding perception. Synesthesia serves as a captivating entry point into the complex world of perception. It illuminates the brain's remarkable ability to create and adapt sensory experiences, offering valuable insights into how we perceive and interpret the world around us. By delving into the intricacies of synesthesia, scientists and researchers continue to expand our knowledge of human cognition, consciousness, and the boundless potential of the human mind. Synesthesia, the fascinating condition where the senses intertwine and create a kaleidoscope of experiences, reminds us of the intricate and diverse nature of human perception. While it challenges traditional notions of how our senses operate, synesthesia also enriches our understanding of the human mind and its boundless potential for creativity and innovation. In the intriguing world of synesthesia, the senses dance together, offering us a glimpse into the wondrous complexity of our own consciousness. As we conclude our immersive voyage through the captivating world of synesthesia, we are reminded that human perception is a rich tapestry woven from threads of sensory diversity. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who share your fascination for the mysteries of the mind. Until our next exploration, may your senses continue to illuminate the extraordinary in the world around you.